this morning, we're getting a closer look at the impact from last night's storm it's having on West Michigan, especially in some of the hardest hit areas right near Battle Creek.
Yeah, we know that at least one tornado was reported to have touched down near Marshall. And this morning, as the sun comes up, residents will begin to pick up the pieces there. Andy Curtis, live near where a lot of that damage is. And even though it's dark, Andy, I'm sure it's not hard to make out exactly what's been left behind there.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Janice. Consumers out here already trying to restore power to the area. And yeah, like you mentioned, it's dark right now, especially if you're in one of these houses. But from what we've seen, you don't need very much light to witness some of the damage that has fallen on this area. Big mature trees laying over the road, down power lines, and at least one trailer ripped apart from that confirmed tornado here in the area last night, not too far from Marshall. And actually, one homeowner we talked to who's gracious enough to let us park in his driveway this morning said the damage goes far beyond what we can see right now.
Well, I got some roof damage on my house. My barn's got some damage. My camper is leveled. Trailers are gone. My son's sheep barn's gone. It's devastated. It's gone. It's crazy.
Now, he told us that luckily they got the alert that there was a tornado watch and warning in effect, so they made it all safely down into the basement along with their pets, so everybody's fine. And the Calhoun County Sheriff's Department is reporting that so far no confirmed injuries because of this storm last night, but they're still going through the area and double checking with people to make sure. We will be here all morning long live with any updates and give you a better picture of what the scene looks like as that sunrise starts to creep up. Until then, reporting just outside of Marshall, Andy Curtis, Fox 17 News. Back to you guys.